Hi, this is Chuck Orlandi here at Miami Shores Auto Repair in Miami Shores, Florida. Okay, in this clip we're going to show you how to replace a wiper blade. This is a 2002 Dodge pickup truck. Most cars and trucks use the same type of system nowadays. You would remove it like this. There's a clip under here. Squeeze it with your finger. Pop it off like that. Be very careful not to let this fall. It has a spring in it. It'll smash and crack the windshield. You got to be really careful. Keep it up like this. This is a new blade. This one comes with the metal attachment and the rubber insert all in one piece. Same type of thing. Just it clips right in here. Until you hear it clip, make sure it's secure and put it back down on the windshield. Okay, what you would be looking for to see if you need to replace a wiper blade is the rubber here. Usually when in Florida here where it's hot, these will get dried up and they'll get hard and then they don't wipe the windshield correctly. They'll leave streaks or they'll skip across the window, you know, any number of things. Or you'll even see them torn where pieces of this will tear off and be hanging. And you want to replace it as soon as possible because if you don't, it'll end up getting down to this metal right here and this will scratch the windshield really bad. And then it gets costly. So it's a very important item. Plus you want to be able to see when it's raining. And it's not an expensive item to change. They run about $15 to $20 each blade for a good quality blade that comes with the metal. Another thing you'll find when you go shopping for windshield wiper blades, there's all different brands, all different types of material they're made out of. You'll see some that have like three wipes, 3 pieces of rubber in a row, like they're supposed to wipe better with the 3 pieces of rubber. I don't necessarily agree with that. Just get a good quality brand name, single blade, and you'll be fine. Once again, this has been Chuck Orlandi, and thank you for watching.